Good morning, students. Again today we will read about grammar. Chapter 3, nouns. Nouns, gender. Okay. So we will read about the genders. So what is gender? So gender also four types. Okay. That is masculine, feminine, common and neuter. So masculine, you know very well about this in before or in your previous class also. Masculine means male, okay, or he words. Feminine means female people or animals, or she words also you can say. That is masculine means names of male people or animals that are he words. Okay. Feminine means names of female people or animal, that is she words. Okay. Female, male or female. You can say also masculine means male, feminine means female also you can say. He, she or male, female. Common means both. It indicates both female and male. And neuter means non-living things. So, I will explain one by one. Masculine means the names of male people or animals. For example, man, father, king, monk, tiger. So all the male peoples, it may be animal or people. It is called masculine words. So when you change it to feminine, the man is opposite is woman, father opposite is mother, king opposite queen means male king is opposite female is queen, monk is opposite monk, tiger tiger. So these all words are female words and these all words are male words. So these are called masculine noun, these are feminine noun. So what are common nouns? Common noun means neither it may be female or male. Means when a word or a noun said to be, when you can't identify whether it is male or female, or it may be male or female, then it is common noun, okay, or common gender. So cousin means it may be your brother, cousin, brother or sister. That means you can't mention here that is it is a he word or she word. That means it is common noun or common gender. Doctor. A doctor also a male doctor or a female doctor. Both are called doctor. So that's why you can identify whether it is male or female. Then it is called common gender. Teacher. Teacher also your sir or madam. Sir is, if you say sir, it is masculine noun. If you say madam, then it is feminine noun. When you say it is teacher, then it may be sir, teacher may be a sir or madam. Then, so it is called common gender. Patient also same thing, male or female. Students also it may be boy or girl. So it is cousin, doctor, teacher, patient and students. Here you can't identify whether it is he is male or she is female, then it is called common gender. Okay, it is neither male nor female. Then neuter is a non-living things, completely a non-living things which neither a male nor a female. Suppose book, what which gender it is? No. Car, house, pencil, table, TV, door, window, wall, or your pen, pencil, compass, all these are called neuter gender. Means which are non-living things, they are called neuter gender. So gender are four types: masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Masculine means male words, female means feminine means female words, common means both male and female, and neuter means non-living things. So some masculine noun to how to change some masculine masculine learn to feminine now. Here also some rules, little rules you have to remind. So by adding ESS, okay. So just lion, lioness, you are spelling lion and added here ESS. Then giant, giantess, you are spelling GIANT, added ESS. Okay. Hair, heiress, host, hostess. But here 4 words, prince, tiger, emperor, god. Little spelling change. Here complete your existing spelling with ESS feminine. But here look this 4 words, little spelling changes. So only added here SS because E is present. Prince, PRINCE, prince spelling added only SS. Here ESS, here SS. Here tiger, TIGER. But when you change this to feminine, TIGRE. Here little spelling changed. Okay, you have to remind it. Tigress. Emperor, empress. Here OR cut RESS. Okay. God, double D. Goddess. So you have to remind me how to change it from masculine to feminine word. Here some words, masculine to feminine, completely no relation with the existing word, completely new word. Boy, girl, brother, sister. It's simple words you know. Son, daughter, rat, dog, gentleman, lady, horse, mare, nephew, nice, husband, wife. So these are masculine words, and when you change it to feminine, these are feminine words. Some more words from masculine to feminine. So here look out. Headmaster, headmistress. So head same, no change. Here master, mistress. Okay. So you know these some main words will be same in both masculine and feminine, and you know it before. Masters, feminine, mistress. So headmaster, headmistress. Head of the institution if it is male, headmaster. If it is female, then headmistress. Okay. Then police, policing. Male police, policeman. Female police, policewoman. Then grandson, if male is son, then daughter. So grandson. Then goat, male goat, billy goat, female goat called nanny goat. Then same thing, man, woman you know, but postman, male postman, female postwoman. Okay, female postman. Then landlord, land same, lord, lady. Okay, who have more fields, more property, they are called landlord or landlady. Then father-in-law, mother-in-law. So in-law same, he called father-in-law, here feminine, mother-in-law. Father opposite mother. Then elephant, male elephant called bull elephant, female elephant is called cow. So bull opposite cow, you know. In case of elephant, bull elephant, cow elephant. Now we will discuss exercise. The first page number 13, given masculine, feminine, some masculine words given, some feminine words given. We have to write its opposite words. So first example, fiance, fiancé. Then uncle opposite, feminine, aunt, AUNT. Then bride opposite, bride, groom. Okay. Nephew, nice. Lord, lady. Then miss opposite, master. Okay. Ram, Ivi. Sea wolf, he wolf. So now question number B. Okay. Given, rewrite the sentence by changing the masculine nouns to feminine nouns and the feminine nouns to masculine nouns. As in case maybe make other changes wherever required. One has been make other required. So you read the sentence. In your book also the genders given in different colors, just like man, son, then lady, daughter. So these words you have to change its opposite gender, nothing else. Okay. So with this we have to change other necessary requirements also. Okay. So suppose I will write here B. So man opposite gender is woman. Okay. Told will not change for his. So his opposite also, if you write son opposite gender daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, son opposite gender is daughter. So his daughter. Now here also you write here her daughter. So woman's his. Woman means his opposite also you have to know that her. So his opposite her. Then same thing. So for female we write her, for male we write his. So the woman told her daughter. Okay. His will change to her daughter. To saw he to the lady. Lady opposites gentleman. Gentleman and her daughter. Her will what? Gentleman's his son. Okay. Daughter opposite son. So you have to change each noun with her with its necessary changes. Means man, son means his changes to her, then her changes to his. Okay. So another sentence here, queen, noun, prince, her. Okay. So the queen opposite king. Okay. Queen opposite king. Say that the prince, princess. Okay. Would be the heiress. Heiress to the throne. Okay. So like this other sentence you try to solve, try to write yourself. So which words in your book the genders or nouns given in blue color, others in black color. So all the blue colors you changes to opposite noun. With that, if any other necessary changes also you have to do. Okay. I hope you can do this all sentence yourself. Question number B and question number C also same one paragraph given. Here also you read the paragraph and change the gender to of relevant words, means you changes to opposite gender. Okay. And I hope you could understand the noun genders of different genders, this masculine, feminine, common and the neutral gender. And you try to solve rest of the exercise. Okay. So this is all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.